Hi, my name is Scott Duke. I'm a business owner in Revelstoke, British Columbia in Canada, and I've now done 3 projects with Maroof, and each one has been absolutely fantastic. So what I've used his services for is taking existing websites and migrating them into ClickFunnels, because I use the ClickFunnels platform, but there's some stuff that I like the way it looks outside of ClickFunnels. I have no idea how to bring inside ClickFunnels and make it look the same. And somehow Maroof magically knows how to do this, and it's always a quick turnaround, and it comes back, and I've always been ecstatic. So just wanted to do this shout out for his page so that people know, because there's lots of people on Fiverr, there's lots of people out there that are offering services, but I've found Maroof and I continually use him because it's always quality product and it's always delivered on time, and he's really easy to work with. So anyway, that's my shout out, and I hope you have a good time. I hope you get in contact with him and use his service. All right, thanks.